Hello, my name is Hassan and this is Mohammed.
We are Team 1305, the Dhahran Wildcats.
We are here for the core values presentation. First, discovery. This year, our teams explored several new skills and ideas. For our coding, we developed a new and more sophisticated gyro turn that utilizes a true north heading. In addition, we developed a drive straight my block that allows us to tell the robot what heading we wanted it to head. With regards to our team, we learned that you might have a great idea, but when you try on the robot, it doesn't work the first time. Before, we might have given up on that idea, but now we know that it might just take a couple of extra iterations to make the new idea work. Another trait we learned this year was not to blame each other. If the robot does not work, it doesn't work. Instead of blaming each other, we problem solve the issue at hand by focusing on facts and not fiction.
Second, innovation. In order to solve mission number 3, which we called Indiana Jones, we developed an elaborate elevator system that utilized a rack and a pinion system to vertically lift a platform. We took inspiration from other teams and past designs to create this attachment. As a team, we must have built and rebuilt the elevator at least 10 times. Another attachment we built was designed to accomplish 6 missions as the robot moved from the west side of the map to the east side. This was by far the best attachment that was created. We spent approximately 9 hours working on that one attachment. We did not quit or give up. We persevered.
Third, impact. We hosted a scrimmage of over 20 FLL teams on Saturday, January 17th. At that event, teams had a chance to work on their robots and code. Our team provided commented and well-explained examples of gyro turns and draw straight codes. In addition, all the teams there were able to observe different strategies for solving the missions. We then helped to host a 42-team scrimmage in Abcake on February 14th. Again, our team was able to mentor and help younger teams with their robot design and coding. We also gave multiple tips to the rookie teams to work on their complexity of their code, so it was easier to locate errors and correct them. We also taught them about adding notes on Spike Prime on different pieces of the code as an organization, which is a key part of predicting and achieving good results. Due to these small tips, there was a big impact on the team's score as it was boosted by 100 plus points, which is excellent for a rookie team.
Fourth, inclusion. Our team has students from 7 countries, both girls and boys. We had a lot of different ideas and strategies for solving this year's missions. In order to allow everyone to pursue their ideas, we built 4 different robots and decided that the one that scored the most points would be the one we chose for the Saudi competition. Our best act of inclusion was the Abcake scrimmage, where we all got together on the bus and socialized, and then once we got to the competition, we met lots of new people from different countries and had fun. Inclusion is important because it allows us to get new perspectives and ideas for problems or improvements. It also allows us to improve ourselves. It allows us to improve ourselves because when we distance ourselves from others because of how they look, we miss out on many amazing things we could profit from each other and in general lose out on becoming friends.
Fifth, teamwork. During the scrimmage at Abcake, our team wasn't scoring as many points as we had in the practice time. Although we could have fought over whose fault it was, each other, the coding, the bot itself, or even the board, we kept ourselves together, allowing us to take in constructive criticism better and focus on getting more points instead of wasting our time in dividing ourselves. There were also many times where our team and a few others would sit together to discuss the score and see what common mistakes were and how we could fix them. This was very helpful as all ideas were spread to the teams taking part in this, allowing us to bypass the point barrier we were stuck at for a long period of time. Our teams this year have been following the same motto, divide and conquer, which allowed us to find common ground with each other and use each of our strengths in an orderly fashion to progress to the state we are in today.
6. Fun. Throughout the year, we had a lot of excitement coming right at us, which has honestly brought us from that normal teammate connection to a bond filled with value for one another and built on our cooperation and experiences on this journey. Some examples of this would be the bus rides to the scrimmage, where we played games which completely took away any hint of the stress and made us realize what we had in common and more about each other. Another would be the scrimmage we hosted, where we got to meet old friends from other teams, make new friends, and see such amazing designs and pieces of code. All these little things display how much fun we had, along with how much we value and appreciate any bit of excitement we get.
Thank you, and we hope you have a great day.